Hello everyone, Anarchity here. You can call me Anna. This is my tutorial on how to do the stickers that you can get the bases for on either my Patreon, Anarchity Art, or on my Kofi, Anarchity. I'll have both of those linked below. So whenever you get the file, it's going to be a PSD, which you can open in Procreate, PaintToolSAI, Photoshop. I also believe Gimp. I haven't used Gimp in a while, but I'll figure that out so I can do a video for you guys. So this is going to be my PaintToolSAI tutorial video, because I know quite a few artists still use PaintToolSAI. So whenever you get the PSD file, it's going to look like this. It's going to have all of your folders. These are all of your stickers. And if you open a folder, it's going to have your base, which is the lines, your color layer, and then the white. And the white is this line so that you can see your sticker against anybody's background, because everybody has different backgrounds on their telegrams. So what we're going to do first, we're going to select our base layer, hit the magic wand, select outside of our lines, go to selection, invert. Now click our color layer, pencil, and now you can just color. Sorry, I had the wrong color. Alright, so you can color inside the lines, no problem, without having to worry about ruining anything outside the lines. So you're gonna color this guy. I'll just do some quick colors so you can see how easy it is. So we're just going to color in the chest right here. I like to do the main coloring first and then go back and color the mouth and stuff. That way I don't have to worry about it. So I'm going to select this color so I can clean up these little spaces. Alright, now we're going to do his eyes. Color in white. Can't see his other thing right there. Oop, okay. And then let's give him some purple eyes. Now, if you don't trust yourself for coloring inside these lines inside, you can go to selection, clear, magic wand. Oop, I have to go back to your base layer inside the lines. Doesn't always work, as you can see. So you have the select pen right here, and you can zoom in and select that space in there. Okay, and go back to your color layer, pen, and now you just go willy-nilly. Selection, clear, base, magic wand, pupil, color, pen, and we just give him some dark blue. So I'm going to do selection, clear. I'm going to click on my lines outside again, and then invert. Make sure I'm on my color layer. I'm going to color inside this nose. Now I try to make the nostrils like a lighter color. Here. It makes them more visible because stickers are not like ginormous pictures. Let's give him a pink tongue. So I'm going to go to base, selection, clear, magic wand, tongue area. You see it misses a little bit. So I'm just going to zoom in. Okay, go back to my color layer. and hot pink tongue apparently. Alright, selection clear. Going to, and that's only if you just want to like quickly plop down a color. You can just select inside each line, although due to pixels it might not work every single time. You might have to do the select pen or just clear the selection and color it by hand. So I'm going to color these teeth. It's going to be white. Yeah. And we'll just color in his claws, make them white. Again, you can use this selection, the wand tool, to select each claw and then color that way. Let's take his nose color, put it inside his paw pads. This is just a random character, I'm not making any certain character. Okay, go to base, wand tool, blanket. As you can see, there's a few spots where the pixels say, nope, can't select here. So use our little select pen, color that in. Okay, go back to pen, make sure you're on your color layer. Always check, I check constantly while making stickers or doing PNG tubers. Check constantly which layer you're on, it'll help. Now go to bucket, boop, orange blanket. Okay. So I'm gonna say, just for this video, he's colored in. So what I wanna do now is go to File, Save As, don't click Save, Save As, and then you're gonna scroll down to PNG, and we're just gonna name this guy Smile. And for me, he's a tester. Okay, so when you go to save and you hit OK, you're gonna click on 32 BPP. Not sure exactly what that means, but it saves the opacity, so that means all this extra white stuff in the background that was not colored is going to be transparent, which is what you want. So then that one's done. You click the little eye right here. You click on the eye on the next one. Open the folder. Click base, magic wand. Select outside. Selection. Invert. Click on your color layer. And there you go. And if you need to go to your last picture for your reference for colors, you can just open that, right click, or use the eyedropper color picker, get your color, hide it with the eye, and then color in this guy. And you can go back and forth really easy, boop, color dropper, turn it back off, and we color. And I'm not obviously going to color the whole thing and show you me coloring every single sticker because this is just tutorial. So this is the next one. So selection, clear. I'm going to say we're done. I know we're not, we need to do all the other colors, but whenever you're done, save as, don't click save. And I wrote down names for each of these. You obviously don't have to use my names, but these help me whenever I'm uploading to Telegram. So this one's called Shy Hide. So we're just going to switch the name over to Shy Hide. And make sure it's PNG. Hit save. 32. Boom. And you're going to do that for every sticker. And you'll notice that for most of these, I included the sketch. So you can see what it originally looked like and how it turned out. And for Patreons, you get 11 stickers instead of 10. So this is the Patreon only sticker, LMAO. At the end of the year, all of my Patreon only stickers in the base pack will be put into one big pack and available on my Kofi, where you can also buy the stickers bases if you don't want to subscribe. So everything will be linked down below, and I hope this was helpful. If you have any questions or any comments or you need help, feel free to reach out to me, because I'm more than willing to help you understand how to do stickers, because I love using stickers on Telegram. Whole conversations. All right. Well, you guys have a great day, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.